grounded theory can be a little bit confusing at first as a novice researcher, because there are different strands within grounded theory where they do take slightly different approaches. But there are some key features that are present for all strands of grounded theory. So one of the first ones that I'll discuss is openness. So this is where the researcher tries to keep an open mind as much as possible about where the study may take them, and they really allow the study to evolve over time. So it's all about, rather than testing a theory, we're helping to develop it. One of the things that helps with remaining open is the concurrent data collection and data analysis. So rather than collecting all your data in one go, excuse me, and then analysing it at the end, you are analysing your data as you have collected it. This means that you can really allow the study to evolve, and this links in with another distinguishing feature, which is theoretical sampling. So if during your data collection and your data analysis, you're noticing that a particular theme is becoming quite important and being mentioned a lot, or if there's an area that you think, actually, we're not really hearing much about this, you can change what you are doing to help either fill a gap or to develop a particular area. This could be through either recruiting particular people with certain characteristics that would help you either fill the gap or develop your knowledge further. Or it could be that you're changing the questions that you're asking to, again, fill that gap. So that, again, sort of links in with that maintaining that openness. You're enabling the study to go where the data is taking you. On the topic of data, some of the other distinguishing features are coding and the use of memos. So coding is where the researcher is assigning a label to the data to try and capture the essence of it and breaking it into some smaller chunks to make it a bit more manageable. And then they're using the memos, which is the researcher's thoughts and ideas as they are going through the data collection and the data analysis process. And that can really help show the researchers' thought process as they're going through the analysis, and it can also develop the theory that they might be starting to generate. It can also sort of be helpful in reaching the other distinguishing features, which one is theoretical saturation. So the researcher feels confident that what they are saying, what their theory, the concepts that form the theory are very well understood, and they're very fully grounded in the data. I'll just rephrase that, not very fully. So the theoretical saturation is when all of the concepts that form the overall theory that the researcher is developing, all of those concepts are fully understood and they are grounded within the data. So it's very clear to see where that data, where the theory is coming from. And then finally, as the name suggests, with grounded theory, the key part is about theory generation. It's not about testing a theory, it's about generating a theory, and it's the theory is then aiming to explain a phenomenon. And so that's the overall aim of a grounded theory study.